Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Carwow. So I've clearly got a Tesla only drag race here for you today. One for the Tesla fanboys, you're gonna love this. Now I've got the most powerful version of each available Tesla model you can buy. I'm sat in the Tesla Model X P100D. Dual electric motors, 795 horsepower. Wow, it's a lot. 1140 newton meters of torque, but it does weigh almost 2.5 tons. Next to me is the Model 3 Performance, my favourite current Tesla. That has dual electric motors, but just 490 horsepower. Just, I say. 660 newton meters of torque, and it weighs just over 1,800 kilos. Over there in the distance is the Tesla Model S Performance. So that's recently been uprated, and it now produces 825 horsepower. That's mental from its dual electric motors. It also has 1,300 newton meters of torque. The Model S weighs 2.2 tons. What I want to do here is just see the performance between the different cars and how it all plays out in a drag race and various other performance testing. Now, before we get into all of that, please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, follow me on Instagram at Matt Watson Cars. Right, that's enough of that. Let's go on with the race. This Model X and the Model S have launch control. However, the Model 3 doesn't. Doesn't really matter, you just roll the throttle and it goes. It's going to be interesting to see how these cars perform in the wet. Obviously, they've all got all-wheel drive, but they may struggle to put down their power, especially the S, because it's got the most power. Ironically, this car's weight could actually help it, because it should push the tyres down into the tarmac.
3, 2, 1.
That 3 got off well, so did this X. The S struggled, I think probably struggled with traction. Now beating the 3, that S is going now though, but this X isn't too far behind. Whoa, that is that. And my windscreen wiper's gone all funny. It's come off, better stop that. Stop that, stop that. That was weird. So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla Model S Performance completed the standing quarter mile in 11.4 seconds. The Model X P100D took 11.5 seconds, and the Model 3 Performance did 11.8 seconds. Interestingly, this is the same time we've had out of a Model 3 Performance in the dry. However, the Model X and Model S were a bit slower than the best times we've had out of them in the dry. Clearly, the damp conditions meant they weren't able to take full advantage of their extra power off the line. Now we're going to have a riding race from 50 miles an hour. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, so close, but now the S, which is more aerodynamic and more powerful, is going. I'm not that far ahead of the 3, but this is like a brick through the air. It's supposed to be aerodynamic, but I've got a lot of wind noise. That's enough of that. I think we know what happened. It went on power. Surprise. The winner here so far is that 3, if you ask me. Loads cheaper, half the price of the other 2 pretty much, and it's not far off in terms of performance. Get level, and when you get that change of tarmac, it's quite clear to see. Full emergency stop. Here's the line. Well, the benefit of the lighter 3 is pretty blooming evident right there, isn't it? What I can't be sure of though is whether I beat the S. Unfortunately, I've got to get out in the bloody rain. Ugh. Do you know what? That is too close for me to call. Click on the pop-out banner up there to vote which you think broke or braked the best. I don't know English, it's only my first language. Is it the S or is it the X? You decide. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I say, please subscribe to this channel. Now, if you'd like to see some videos of my own personal cars, my Porsche 911, my Mazda MX-5, which I supercharged, my little Fiat 126, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen right now to go to my personal channel, Matt Watson Cars. Thanks for watching. It's terrible doing a drag race in this weather. I'm sorry, we've run out of time, but I thought you guys would want to see this rather than not. I had hoped to do better for you.